Here's our Innovatools Trim Coil Holder. Just like all of our other products, you can configure it to your own preference. We offer it in a horizontal brake mounted option, in a horizontal freestanding option, in a vertical freestanding option, and you can either have it on the right-hand side or to feed out from the left-hand side based on your preference. The external rollers on our trim coil holder allow you to not need to remove that winding lip on your coils before unwinding them. We've also designed the opening here where you feed the coil into before you cut it to be self-feeding. And the rollers are so smooth that you can unwind and rewind your coil if you've gone too far. Simply making the whole operation very easy. Our built-in guillotine will ensure that you get a 90-degree cut every single time quickly and efficiently, reducing trimming time at installation and reducing wasted material. Our guillotine will give you a factory cut every time. We've designed our trim coil holder to hold a coil up to 100 feet long, anywhere from a 10-inch, 25 centimeter, to a 15-inch, 38 centimeter diameter coil in place.